Okay, I welcome you all to today's lesson. So this is the question that I gave you. Then most of you found some challenges to deal with this question. So I'm going to answer it even as we proceed to the other part on how to construct a quadrilateral. So we are going to construct this triangle and I'm going to show you how you are supposed to do it. So I just want you to pay much attention to this part on constructing the triangle. I believe we don't have any problem on that. Just need to work on now which parts to shade. So let us now go into action because the first part here, AB is equal to 8 centimeters. So you know that you are constructing a triangle. So the first part here, you are told to construct AB. So the first two letters AB, this is the base. Have you seen? So AB here is what? 8 centimeters. So you use your ruler properly like this. You measure what? 8 centimeters. So this is what I'm going to do. So 8 centimeters. Where is my 8 centimeters? 8 centimeters, it is here. So from here like this, so I'm going to do it here like this. So 8 centimeters. So like I told you, I'm using a pen, but you're supposed to use a pencil. Just want you to see everything that I'm doing. This is what? 8 centimeters. So this is AB. So I'll say AB. This is what? 8 centimeters. Like this is what I'm supposed to do. So apart from that, what's the other question? The next question is saying BAC. BAC is what? 110 degrees. Have you seen? Which letter is in the middle? A. So you go on A. Have you seen? So this is what you are supposed to follow. You go on what? You go on A. You get this. You go on A. Which A is here? So you go here like this. Have you seen like this? So the zero that I was talking about, I made a voice note yesterday saying that the zero, have you seen the zero here? Have you seen the other zero? So if I ask you which one is on the line here, which one is lying on the line? It is this one. This one is outside. Have you seen? So we don't consider this. So in measuring the angle, we check the degrees that are inside here. Have you seen? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, even when you're counting, you don't start from this one like this. No. You say 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, it's there. 100, 110. Have you seen where 110 is? 110 is there. So you put a dot, just a dot like that. Have you seen? You put a what? A dot there. Put a dot where 110 is like this. Just put a dot like that. Then you are done. Have you seen? This is what you are supposed to do. So if you go here, if you maybe you are told if it was B, maybe it was B. So have you seen this one should be there? Then you construct what? You construct 110. So are you supposed to start with this or that? You are supposed to start with this because it is this zero that is lying on the line. This is not on the line. So you start 110 will be somewhere there. Have you seen? So these are things that we need to do. So just take a dot there. Then you are done. You go to the other part. These things are going to make sense when you complete. So just follow instructions. What they are telling you to do, they're saying what? ABC. ABC is what? 35. Which letter is in the middle? It is what? B. So you get B. B is what? 35. You go at B. Here you do this nicely. Don't make mistakes. Like this. Where is the 35 now? 35, where is the 35? 0, 10, 20, 35 is there. Have you seen where the 35 is? It's just here. This is where the 35 is. Have you seen? You do this. That's where the 35 is. You do that. Then you are done like this. Then you just join this. Since A is 110, so A should pass here. Have you seen? You do this. Along this line from here, from this point, passing through that other point. Have you seen like this? So to go like this. This is how it is going to move like this. Have you seen? That is your what? That is the line. It is the line. You do this. Then also this one should pass through from here, through that point. Have you seen through that point like this? Then you just do this. Have you seen where these two are meeting? Where are they meeting? They are meeting at this point. So this is the point we are calling what? C. Have you seen the way I've constructed this triangle? This is a triangle that we needed to construct. So everything should be answered on this paper. So this, as you can see, this is an exam question. Just printed it out so that we are able to follow properly. So this is an exam question. So once you are doing this, you are also helping yourself revising through past paper questions. So let's make sure we are participating. We don't know, for mathematics, they like repeating the same thing. So you may discover that they bring the same question in another way, but the same what, same concept. So I want you to get this. So after we construct this triangle, obviously we have constructed our triangle. You know that there you've got what? 110 degrees. That is 110 degrees. That is what? 35 degrees, like this. So once you make a mistake on this one, like the same mistake we were making, you discover that everything won't be correct because the triangle is not well constructed. So some of you, I was emphasizing that your triangle is well, but the concept is there, but you've not constructed it well. So this is what we need to follow and understand. I move to the other part. They are just telling me, measure and write the length of BC. So BC, have you seen? This is the BC. You just measure. So this is very simple. Everyone can do this. This is very, very, very simple. Everyone can do this. This is what? This is, according to my diagram, this is 13.1. 13.1. So I'm going to say that BC, here BC is equal to what? 13.1 centimeters. You do this. So have you seen the way I'm answering this? Everything should be done on this. If you want, you can indicate even there. There is no problem. As long as you also indicate there that this is what you are supposed to do. Have you seen? Like this. I move to the other question. Hope we are able to see. I believe we are able to see and get. We are able to understand everything that I'm trying to illustrate. So from here now, what you need to do, the other thing is that here now, within, this is the question saying, within the triangle ABC, construct the locus of points which are 3 centimeters from AB. 3 centimeters from where? From AB. So that's the first question. Within your triangle. So everything should be within your what? Your triangle. So within your triangle, construct triangle. Construct the locus of points which are what? Equidistant. Which are 3 centimeters from AB. So 3 centimeters from AB. What are you supposed to do? You get your what? Your compass. You get your compass. You measure what? 3 centimeters. Have you seen? You measure what? 3 centimeters. So from here to there. This is your what? Your 3 centimeters. Like this. Have you seen? You measure like this. This is your what? This is your 3 centimeters. Have you seen? This is my what? My 3 centimeters. So this is my 3 centimeters. They're saying 3 centimeters from AB. So I know that some people cannot manage to draw this. So what I was, to make things very easy, I was advising you that you need to make a what? A circle. So you go at A like this. So you go at what? You go at A. So you go at A like this. Then you just draw a what? The correct thing is drawing a semicircle like this. You draw a what? A semicircle. This is a semicircle. Have you seen? You put a semicircle like this. But I was telling you that you need to draw a circle because some people cannot do this. But the easiest way, I believe they can do a circle like this. Have you seen? You put a circle here. You go at B also. You put a what? You put a circle. So you go at B. Same. Don't change. Same letters like this. You put a what? You put a circle. You also put a circle here like this. You also put a what? A circle. Have you seen? You complete a circle like this. You put a circle there like this. So after you put these circles, this circle at a radius of what? 3 centimeters. Now I'm told to write this. So what am I supposed to do? So what I'm supposed to do is this now. On this line here, on top where these two are meeting, where are they meeting? Like this. Even there, like you do this. Okay. This one is, have you seen there? That's on top. Even here, that's on top there. So what I need to do, have you seen? Instead of me writing a line from here like this, coming through there, so I'm told within. So everything should just be within. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm just going to do this. Have you seen? Like this is what I'm going to do. This is a part that I'm going to consider. Then if you want, you can put this dotted if you want. Have you seen? If you want, you can do that. If you want. This is what you are supposed to do. Have you seen? So have you seen what I've done like this? So if it was passing through there, on top of these two circles, so you cannot write down here. Here we've got nothing. The question is saying within. So then if you try to measure that, so you can try to measure that. Have you seen? I try to measure it. It is how many? From here to there. 3 centimeters. AB. So this line AB is 3 centimeters from what? This line here. It is 3 centimeters from AB. So here the difference is what? 3 centimeters. Have you seen? So these are things that I want you to practice. I want you to capture very well. Have you seen the way I've done this? This is what you are supposed to do. So if you don't want, don't indicate this. As long as you've put these things at a good position where you are able to put a line like that. Have you seen? This is what you are supposed to do. From here now, you move to the other question. So let us move to the other part of this question. It's saying equidistant from AC and BC. Equidistant from what? AC and BC. Remember, this is called what? Angle bisector. I told you this, so I believe no one has got a problem on this one. This is called the angle bisector because there is a letter which is common. So we all know how to bisect an angle. So if you don't know how to bisect an angle, the videos are available. You can go through them. That's the reason why I do pre-recorded videos, because if we've been doing live videos or live session, you discover that once a lesson is done, then you cannot access that lesson. But this is very good because where you have not understood, you are able to go through the video. You are able to understand everything that I'm doing here. So which letter is common here? It is C. So you go at C. Have you seen? You go where? At what? At C. So you are going to go at C. Okay, the C. C is there. So you can put this like this so that you are able to do it nicely. Have you seen? You do this, you are able to do it nicely like this. Open a small radius. The same thing we were doing. Open a small radius like this. Put an arc there. Also put an arc this other side. This is what I told you. Have you seen? You move. You open it a bit like this. You open it like this. Then you go there. You put an arc like this. You go there. Put also another arc like that. Have you seen where these two are meeting? You need to see. They are meeting. Where are they meeting? Here. This is where these two are what? Are meeting. There. This is where they are meeting. Have you seen? I'm able to see that. So these arcs should not be seen like you're able to see them that I've put an arc. No. This is the line which should be seen. Like this, you do this, then from C there, passing through that point. Have you seen here? Passing through that. You are not supposed to end there. You are supposed to finish until you reach there. Have you seen? Like this. It should be within. So, last to last, like this. This is what you've bisected what? C. So, we have bisected what? C, because it is a letter. Then you do this. Have you seen? You're able to see it nicely like this. You're even able to admire your own triangle that you've constructed and the work that you are doing. So this is what you are supposed to do. Have you seen? So you do this. So if you when you are taught to do this, when you are seated at an angle where you cannot construct very well, did you see what I do? I did. You do this. Have you seen? This is what you are supposed to do. So let's make sure we follow everything that I'm trying to say. So I'm making this very simple. So just follow me properly, then you are going to understand. Nothing will be very difficult. So after you do this now, the other thing that you are going to put into consideration after you are done with this, the other thing is that you are going to go to this last one. It is saying what is the question saying? 4 centimeters from A. So you measure 4 centimeters from A. You get your ruler like this. 4 centimeters from A. So 4 centimeters from A, like this. 4 centimeters. Have you seen? You measure like this. This is what? 4 centimeters. Have you seen? This is my what? 4 centimeters. You measure. So you measure it like this. I know if I do it like this, some people will not be able to see. That's the reason why I'm doing it like this, so that we are able to see. You are watching this on a phone, so you are able to see properly. Have you seen? This is what should be done. This is what 4 centimeters from where? So it was 4 centimeters. 4 centimeters from where? A. Okay, 4 centimeters from A. So from there, have you seen? You just do this. So this one should be seen. Go through it until you are able to see it properly. Have you seen? Like this. This is what? 4 centimeters from where? From A. So here, this should not be seen. Have you seen? But this part, this line here, this is the line that should be seen like this. Have you seen like this? This is the own line that should be seen. So have you seen the lines? So I remember telling you that after you are done with all these parts, you need now to be able to know these lines. So me, I'm able to know them. This line here, it was equidistant from AC and BC. This line here. So the same way I am able to tell, this is the same way you're able to tell. What about this line? This was what? 3 centimeters from where? AB. Have you seen 3 centimeters from AB? This is 4 centimeters from where? From A. So you need now to know the interpretation of these things. So this was what? 3 centimeters from where? From AB. So from this line. So going on top, which means you are going above what? 3 centimeters. Down here, it's less than 3 centimeters. We've got this line. This was 4 centimeters from A. So above this line, going that way, like that, this is what? Greater than what? 4 centimeters. But this line here, inside here, this is less than. We move to this line. Have you seen? This is the line. So this line is dividing this angle into 2 equal parts. So we've got this part here, this part that is here. So this part that is here, have you seen this part here? This is the line. So this part that is here, this is nearer to what? BC. This part that is here, this is nearer to AC. This is what this line is telling me. Okay, so now let us now go to this part which I'm told to shade. I'm just told to do what? To shade. I want to shade now. So I want to do what? I want to shade. So this is what I'm going to do so that we are able to see properly like this. I'm going to do this. So I read the question, we understand it. So when you're able to do this, they will give you 6 marks. Plus these 2 marks, it's 8. So now they are saying that a point Q inside triangle ABC. So a point what? A point Q. We've got this point. What is this point? This is a point what? Q. Inside triangle ABC is greater than or equal to 3 centimeters from B. So it is from AB. what is the 3 centimeters from AB? This is the line. I know it. But once you find yourself forgetting the lines, forgetting what you've done, that's a sign that you are going to find this question very difficult. I know I can tell this, I can tell this, I'm also able to tell this. So this is what we need to do. So this is what 3 centimeters from AB. So it is greater than, so it is above this line. Have you seen? It is above this line. This is the line. Have you seen? It is above this line. Okay, I know. Above, okay, I keep. Less than or equal to 4 centimeters from A. 4 centimeters from A is this one here. So it is what? Less than. Less than means inside here, not above. So two conditions. It is above this line. It is also not what? Greater than that line. Greater than that line. So the two regions which have remained are just these two. Because so far we are told that it is above this line. It is also less than this line. So this part cannot be considered. This part and that part cannot be considered because it is less than that line. Have you seen? Then we are told that it is what? Less than also that line. So it is less than, so it's just these two parts. Then we and nearer to AC. Have you seen nearer to what? AC than BC. The line that is dividing it is this line. So I told you that this side here, this is BC. So this going this side nearer to BC. Going this side is nearer to AC. This is the line that is dividing. So nearer to what? Nearer to what? AC. AC this side. So this line that is dividing, so the region is here. This is the region. Have you seen? Then they're saying indicate clearly by shading the region in which Q must lie. Q. You do this. Have you seen? That is what? Q. That is the region. Have you seen? So you're able to tell that, okay, this region, it is less than what? Less than 4 centimeters from A. Greater than 3 centimeters from AB. This is greater than. So here, going there, this is 3 centimeters. From this line AB, we are also able to tell that it is nearer to AC than BC. I've shaded this part here. This is the line that is what? Dividing. So these are things that we need to understand. So like this, they will give you what? 80 marks. So these are marks that we need to get and understand.